Good morning, happy finals week. What's up? Most people absolutely dread this week, and honestly I'm not a big fan of it either, but it's funny because my friend and I last night we were talking about the fact that we actually kind of like finals week in a really weird way because you literally have nothing else to do but study. So this morning it is Tuesday, December 4th already. Today I have my anatomy lab final, so that's when we go into the cadaver lab and we actually label things on the body. So yesterday I had my anatomy lecture exam, which actually didn't go terribly, but this is the exam today that I'm like super nervous about. Yeah, I don't know, if you know me, I'm really bad at spelling and it's just really stressful to have to spell everything correctly and cite it correctly and get it right and things look the same, so I'm a little bit nervous. But we're gonna get breakfast this morning because I'm starving and you should have breakfast. I don't have a lot of food here right now because we're trying to eat everything up in the fridge. Taylor and I are both leaving for home tomorrow. We're gonna do an English muffin with a little bit of jam today. And that. I think we're gonna do Pike's Place today. We had quite the cooking party last night, so that's why all of our pots are dirty. Like, we used every single pot we owned yesterday. Wait, we are missing some of the lids. Now I'm confused. Now there's like no lids in here. Okay, well all of our lids are gone. We're gonna see if this is like the ideal coffee. I try so hard to get my coffee to taste like the way my dad makes the coffee. It just never happens. I think I usually add too much cream and that's the issue. Oh, my lids were all in the sink. I didn't even notice. Okay, let's try this. Okay, that's actually really good. That's pretty close. In the meantime, I thought I would discuss a little bit about finals week and what goes down. Some people are super lucky and they don't even have to stay for finals week and all their finals are either take home or during week 10. The University of Oregon's on the quarter system. That's why everyone gets really confused because I started school really late and my finals are, honestly, I think finals are like earlier than even some people who have semesters. Things just move really quickly here. And that's also why finals are really difficult because you're taking a lot of information and you're cramming it into a 10-week chunk of time. My test is at 1 and it's 9:35. We have time to study, thank goodness. I'm gonna go through my lovely atlas for anatomy. I did all the Quizlets yesterday, which is great and it's a great form of studying for this exam in particular, but it just doesn't give you like a full lay of the land and I just kind of need to know like a great spatial map in my mind. Okay, my roomie's actually the cutest thing ever. She literally wrote on my whiteboard, "You got this." All the things that I misspell, I make myself rewrite it 5 times. Eat my breakfast, I'm gonna study, you guys can hang.
Take me in your arms, do just what you want. You're the one I trust. I belong to you, and I'll always be around when I need some loving, baby, and I'll never let you down.
T1's free!
You'll have one more!
One more tomorrow. But she gets to start studying for phys now. And I'm still staring at muscles of the back. I should have taken it at 12. I won't be able to start studying for phys till 2.
I don't think I'm really going to study for phys that much.
We just had a test. Oh my god, you could send like Morse code with that. Okay, we're gonna keep studying because we still have like 2.5 hours.
Hello, I am currently making pot stickers. Kiara is studying with Elle. This is gonna be funny when she finds this. She's gonna have no idea. But yeah, she's going to go take her final and then we're gonna come back. We're gonna study some more.
I really don't want to be nervous because then that'll make it like me not be able to think about stuff. I think I'm gonna be fine. I think I just had too much coffee and so my body thinks it's nervous, but it's not. I have a pencil and that's literally all I need. I'm gonna be so happy when this is over with and then I only have one more final to go. Let's do this. Okay, so we're walking to our test right now. Feeling good, feeling strong. Do you want to have anything to say, Emily?
Just really excited to be done.
Got out of my anatomy final and it didn't really go the way I wanted it to go. Yeah, that happened. It's definitely frustrating. I'm hoping that I did well on the lecture part of the exam so it can kind of like offset the lab. I'm just gonna let myself have like 30 minutes to 45 minutes to just have a pity party and then I'm gonna get over it and start studying for phys. That's the plan. I'm probably just gonna watch some YouTube for like 30 minutes, get a snack and move on because that's all you can do. Love school. Okay, so just as I sat down, my little Katie called me and she wants to come over. So yeah, we're just gonna chill here and I'm starving, so I'm probably gonna get food. Hello?
Hello, kitty!
We have fancy homework.
Oh my god.
Do we have no try?
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
I completely forgot I had
No,
it.
it's okay. I forgot you had it too.
The whole time she was like, I had Kiara to try find them, holding it.
Shut up.
I'm holding a ransom. Well,
Vlog.
but I'm gonna get food. I'm starving. We don't have any food here. So I'm gonna Uber Eats food, and this video is actually sponsored by Uber Eats, so thank you. I'm starving. I like can't even think. Katie, what do you want? I don't know. Literally anything. Food. I think I just like need to eat. I've had coffee and an English muffin all day. Food heals during finals. There's a lot of options and I can't decide right now, but we're gonna order something because I'm starving and I need to be studying and I don't have time to go out and drive anywhere to get food. Euro salad, yes please. Okay, so this is our study setup right now and we are ordering our food. We all decided what we wanted. Katie got cheesy fries. We have a candy bar. I got the Euro salad, which is my favorite. Brendan got a Philly cheesesteak.
Oh yeah.
We're gonna order this from Uber Eats. Then they'll just conveniently drop it off for us and we will have food. While we wait, we will study. This will be perfect.
What?
Oh my god, you can track the order. So we're gonna study right now. I'm gonna start studying for Fizz, take notes on the slides, and then go over practice tests.
Hi vlog. I need everyone to show Kiara some, what are you looking at?
You?
Everyone needs to show Kiara some extra love because she is a stressed out girl and no one needs a stressed out Kiara. And tell her that you love her.
That she's super smart.
Super smart. Kiara is going downstairs to get our food.
I'm getting the food right now. We just got our food from Uber Eats. I'm really excited and I'm starving. I'm gonna show you guys what we got. Oh, it's so warm. Oh, Brendan, here's your Philly cheesesteak.
Ayo.
Oh, I think this is mine. My favorite salad with the warm pita. Katie, your fries. Ta-da! Let's eat.
Uber.
Eat.
Uber.
Eat. The hangriness has gone away, so we're all good now. Our Uber Eats food was so awesome and it came really fast, so thank goodness, because now I can keep studying. And if you guys want to check out Uber Eats and order your food, I'll leave a link down in the bio so you guys can check it out. My little is leaving me.
That's my official title, my little.
AKA BFF, I don't know what to call you. I'm not gonna see her for a long time and I'm really sad about it.
Only 2 weeks.
Farewell, auf Wiedersehen, adieu.
Taylor and I have decided that we are gonna take a power nap, and we do this a lot because when you're so tired and you cannot study, you have to do something else with your time. So it's now nighttime in Eugene, which now means it's really time to grind. We just woke up from our nap. We're gonna get started and get her done. I think we just need some music. Get us in the zone. We still have 7 hours left of the night, technically.
Just wanna dance, want a simple romance, nothing more, nothing less from you. Just stay the night, then we leave when it's like nothing wrong, it's alright with you. No ties, no price, no need, so free.
Right now we're having a little study fun and we're playing Jeopardy because our teacher made Jeopardy. I'm gonna pick Nervous System 40. Okay, so I literally stopped vlogging for a little bit. It's the end of the night. It's almost midnight. That wraps up a really full day in my life of what it's like as a college student, taking finals, just literally studying the day away. Ellen, Taylor, and I studied for another like 4 or 5 hours. We got a lot of stuff covered and at this point, the only thing we can do is sleep. I literally cannot believe fall term's over. It goes by so fast, so take advantage of it, and no matter what grade you are in, just enjoy the moment. I can literally remember back to freshman year when I was taking finals and how overwhelmed and stressed I was. If you guys are in the midst of finals, good luck to you. I hope and know you guys are gonna do great. Also just want to give a huge thank you to Uber Eats for sponsoring this video. It's so cool to get to work with you guys, and it's a branding company that I actually love. My mom and I always talk about that we're just gonna use Uber Eats forever. If you guys want to check out Uber Eats, be sure to click the link in the description box. Leave a comment down below what is either your best or your worst final story. I want to know a moment when you either like turned it around and made it happen or something that like went terribly wrong. That's all. Thank you guys for watching. I'll talk to you guys later.
Freezing outside, a little bit high on the feeling. Can't seem to focus.